you are.
I'm not teaching you about connectors anymore.
What?
Well, I'm gonna teaching Yola instead.
What? I know you for a long time, and she was in here just 3 days. Seriously, why her? Tell me a reason.
Well, our factory is over 40,000 square meters. So are you willing to run through every single workshop?
40,000 square meters. 40,000 square meters. Fine, let's do it.
I like it when I see you do it better than I've ever seen it done before. A lot of women drop it to the ground, but how low can you go?
I'm done running.
Wow, look at you. Just so trying so hard to please me.
What? Seriously?